Here we are, guys, in the Nichesss ads tool. So let's jump straight into this. Okay, we can choose 5 different types of ads. So let's quickly run through them. We'll have Facebook ads, we'll have Google ads, we'll have Google ads problem solution, Google ads keywords, or with keywords rather, and we'll go for the short post ads. Okay, business name, let's go for Phil's Marketing. Okay, type business you have, online marketing agency for small business. Okay, what your business does, helps small business win with marketing. If you don't market, you don't get sales. Problem your customers have, okay, not enough sales. Keywords you want to target for Google. Let's go for SEO. Give Google some of that lovely high CPC it loves. Okay, and let's click on generate. Okay, it takes about 60 seconds for Nichesss to work its magic. One of the key things I keep mentioning about this is the tool is not burning credits. You can reiterate and go through this play around as much as you like. Okay, so let's just see what Nichesss has developed for us in the ad copy space. Okay, so Facebook ads. Let's see. When you target prospects with a small budget, you need a marketing strategy that can drive results with a small investment. So true. Marketing for small business powered by human clicks. I like that. That's got some mileage in it, definitely. Okay, get your business in front of thousands of people each week in your local area. Again, an absolute belter. Small businesses win with a simple marketing strategy. Get started today. So true. Phil's Marketing about us. So this is the Google ads. So it's Phil's Marketing is digital marketing agency. I won't go through them all, guys. You can see, what you're getting in 60 seconds. This is kind of incredible, guys. I'm still blown away with it. I use this tool on a daily basis, and every time I use it, it's like, this is incredible. Always check for plagiarism, though, just to be on the safe side. And let's see, Google ads with keywords, SEO Phil's Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency in Edmonton, Alberta. Always check your facts, guys. Okay, we're a small dedicated team, blah, 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 blah. Short post ads, Phil's Marketing, went on marketing services for 30% less for a limited time. Nice approach to the market there, putting a different spin on it. Want to grow your business, hire us and we'll do it. Okay, 2 at the end there have nothing in them. Okay, I did mention before, the tool isn't perfect. None of these tools are. They're using really cutting edge technology that is advancing day by day by day. And it's getting stronger every day. I've noticed that as well. So guys, that's all I've got for you in the ads copy section. I hope this has helped. If you like a section or you want some more information, click on add more, change one of the inputs and regenerate the data. Nichesss will then give you a new set of data and just keep on going, guys. Find something that works for yourself and apply it. Taking action is the key, as always. So hope that helps, and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.